A few days ago, a potential client reached out to me. It looked like an international client. They went ahead and booked a time to schedule a call, but at the end, it looked like there was some miscommunication between the time zones and what time we were supposed to be meeting on the call. So if you're watching this by chance, I apologize, but I just have to make sure my working hours are set properly. Okay, I just started checking my email, and then there's a couple miscellaneous things that I need to get going on. And then afterwards, I have a 10 o'clock meeting with a previous client. She's got some requests for me to complete. So we're going to have a quick video chat, and then let's see what new priorities we've got going on. So I just ended my meeting with my client, and it was a 1 hour meeting, but we went through a lot of things to catch up on because we worked on her branding and her website 3 or 4 months back. So she is coming back with a couple of updates for me. So I will be working on some minor changes on her website. So every now and often, I get a request of a project that I haven't really done or I haven't done in a very long time. So I was asked to design a Zoom background. I think the last time I did it was during COVID, maybe 6 years ago. This should be just something pretty simple, and I'm just going to give her 2 options and she can review them and make a decision on which one she'd like to go with. All right, I just finished quickly designing a simple Zoom call background. I tested it out with my own account. So my big head in the center, and then the logo on the left and the tagline on the right. So I gave her 2 different background options. So one of them hopefully is going to work out for her. I'm going to send a video over to her though, just so she has the directions on how to upload everything correctly on her Zoom account. So from there, we should be good to go.
Yes. So that particular.
I just wrapped up a meeting with my client, and they have a pretty simple request to update one of the pages of their website. So after gathering some information, I'm going to set up a folder for them to drop some of the information assets in there. So a fun part of this project is we have approval from the book author and the illustrator, and we were able to use these illustrations on the website. What we did before was, in order to get good resolution photos, some of these pages have been scanned and then uploaded to the website. And of course, images and such would be optimized for the website. It's actually a really fun illustration style. Back to another day of working, and guess what? The matcha labels came in. So the labels come in a roll, and I got some samples from my printer. So these are looking pretty good. I'll link some screenshots up here of the final when the labels on the actual packaging, but the client is extremely happy with the results, and so am I. It looks really good. Print job was perfect. Colors look great. Packaging is going to be very much enhanced, and I am very, very happy with the results. I am still working on a website. The client provided some copy. I'm gonna go ahead and start making revisions. Here is a quick sneak peek of what's going on. I've added this top secondary navigation because they have a few soundtracks. I wanted the user to be able to kind of jump to their section, and they can just kind of pick and choose wherever they want to go and kind of jump to that section quickly. And I've made this fixed at the top so that they can always navigate that. So we've got overlapping images. Usually on one side we've got the soundtrack title, the description, and then also they can play the music right there. So it is kind of looking pretty good. We've added some extra textures in the background, some of here. Overall, it is looking pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead and share that with the clients, get some feedback, and we're actually meeting on Friday, so they can kind of give me collective feedback and we can finalize the page.